Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Place your PS5 on a stable, flat surface and plug the power cable in. Turn the console on fully and wait for the home screen to appear. Pick a compatible USB-C cable and plug its USB end into the console. Confirm the DualSense battery level by connecting the cable to the controller. If the controller is empty, allow it to charge for 5 minutes before pairing. Keep the console awake and avoid sleep mode during this process. Firmly insert the USB-C cable into the DualSense and the other end into the PS5. With the cable attached, press and hold the PS button on the controller. The light around the touchpad will pulse as the console recognizes the device. Watch the TV or console screen for a confirmation that a controller was detected. Release the PS button after the confirmation displays and the controller state changes to connected. You can now remove the cable for wireless play. If pairing does not succeed, disconnect and retry using another USB port. Try a different high-quality data-capable USB cable rather than a charge-only cable. If problems persist, power down the PS5 fully and reboot the system before retrying. You can reset the DualSense by pressing the rear reset button with a small pin for 5 seconds. After successful pairing, check settings for controller firmware updates and install them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.